Welcome guys, and in this video let's take a look at what we are about to create.
Some mornings feel like you're carrying a sack of debt on your back. But look ahead, a bright trail of possibility lights the way out. Step 1, feed your mind. Free courses and tutorials can turn curiosity into skills. Step 2, tame your cash. Track every coin and tell it where to go. Even small savings become seeds for tomorrow's harvest. Step 3, reach out. Neighbors and mentors can swing doors wide open. When troubles knock you down, bounce back. Resilience is your secret armor. And always dream past the horizon. Escaping poverty is about crafting a future, not just paying bills. Hold your focus, keep walking, and that shining path soon becomes home.
The explainer video you just watched was actually created by Openart AI, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step method of creating this style of video. To do this, click on the link under this video description and it's going to take you to this website. When you get to this website, you need to sign in with your Gmail account. After that, on the left hand side here, you see one-click story, and from here you see we have 4 options available to you here. We have explainer video, music video, we have character vlog video. I've created a separate video for the music video on this website. I've also created a video about creating a character vlog video using this same website, a separate video that is going to explain everything to you. I'll leave the link to that video in the comment section of this video and also in the description of this video, so do well to go back to watch that video. Now let's go ahead with our video. So for the explainer video, come down and click on create. And then from here, if you have a script, you can enter your script right inside the script area here. But if you don't have a script, do not worry, I'm going to show you how to get your script. If you don't have a script, you can click on create script with AI. Let's click on that, and from here we have to enter our video topic, what we want to create that script about. So for this particular script, let's say how to escape from poverty. So I'll just enter that, then I'll click on generate script. And just like that, we have gotten our script that we can use for this our short video. So from here, this is the script. Then after that, you need to select your video style. So we have different video styles here. Video style, we have photorealistic, animation, we have micro word, we have crayon, we have pizza art, we have Ghibli style, we have cyberpunk. So these are the video style you can select from. So for this particular video, I'm going to select the animation kind of video. So let's click on animation, and after that you come down here. From here you select the voice actor you want to use under your video. If you click on this, you can select these are different voice actor. If you click on this play button, you listen to how each of these voice actors sounds like. So let's say anyone you like, select that, and then come down here, you select your aspect ratio 16:9 or 9:16 aspect ratio. For this video, I'll be going with the 16:9. If you are using for TikTok video or YouTube short, go with the 9:16 aspect ratio. After that, you need to select the background music. You can leave it on auto select, or you can select your background music from here. Then from here, you can click on the advanced settings and just leave it the way it is. From the advanced settings, you can select your image model, the kind of model you want to generate your image from. Then you can select video model, but on a default, it's going to select the best model for you. So leave that as the way it is. Then after that, come down and click on create story. And after some few seconds, we have our video ready. It's very fast when generating this video. So let's take a look at this video and then we'll see the output.
Some mornings feel like you're carrying a sack of debt on your back. But look ahead, a bright trail of possibility lights the way out. Step 1, feed your mind. Free courses and tutorials can turn curiosity into skills. Step 2, tame your cash. Track every coin and tell it where to go.
So that's the video. If you want to edit the video, click on edit this story, or if you are satisfied, you click on download. So I'm going to just download this story right now. But if you want to go ahead to edit the story, click on edit this story, and then from here you can add other things to your story. So this is the voiceover section. This is the background music. I can click on the background music. If the volume is too high, competing with the voiceover, you can go over to the right hand side here and reduce the audio volume from the right hand side here. This one down here is the voiceover section. On the left hand side here, we have all the videos that was used in generating this video. So you can change some of the things if you want to change them, or if you're okay with them, then go ahead, click on share, and from here you can click on download to get your video. This style of video, you can use them to start up a YouTube channel. You can also use them to start up a TikTok page, also Instagram page and Facebook page, and you grow very fast creating this style of videos. So if you haven't watched my video on the music video using this same website, simply go ahead to watch that video in the comment section of this video, and also the video I talked about how to create the vlogging style of video using this same website. Go to the comment section of this video and make sure you watch that video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.